Hi, everybody. Welcome to our channel. The essential travel tips are destination for you today. It's the top 15 airport travel hack. Highly knowledgeable in airport travel hacks with a strong ability to optimize travel experiences by reducing costs, saving time, and enhancing convenience. Skilled in navigating airport security efficiently, maximizing baggage allowances, and leveraging technology for seamless check-ins and flight upgrades. Experienced in utilizing lounge access, smart packing techniques, and airline loyalty programs to improve overall travel comfort. Passionate about sharing insider tips to help travelers make the most of their airport experience while minimizing stress and delays. Top 15 airport travel hack. Before you travel. Number 1. Check in online. Save time and skip the long check-in lines by checking in online and downloading your boarding pass. Number 2. Use a VPN for cheaper flights. Flight prices can vary based on location. Use a VPN and search from different regions to find better deals. Number 3. Take a screenshot of important info. Save your boarding pass, hotel confirmation, and itinerary in your phone gallery in case of Wi-Fi or battery issues. Number 4. Pack a portable charger. Airports have limited outlets, so bring a power bank to keep your devices charged. Number 5. Wear your heaviest clothes. Save luggage space by wearing your heaviest shoes, jackets, or sweaters on the plane. At the airport. Number 6. Use the TSA-approved liquids rule. Keep liquids in a clear, quart-sized bag to breeze through security. Number 7. Bring an empty water bottle. Save money by bringing an empty bottle and refilling it after security instead of buying expensive airport water. Number 8. Use the left security line. Since most people are right-handed, they naturally choose right-side lanes. The left-side security lines are often shorter. Number 9. Mark your bag as fragile. This makes baggage handlers treat your luggage more carefully and often ensures it arrives first at baggage claim. Number 10. Download lounge apps. Apps like Lounge Buddy or Priority Pass can give you access to comfortable airport lounges with free Wi-Fi, snacks, and drinks. On the plane. Number 11. Choose seats near the wing. If you're prone to turbulence, seats near the wing experience less movement. Number 12. Bring a pillowcase. Instead of carrying a bulky travel pillow, stuff a pillowcase with soft clothes for a makeshift cushion. Number 13. Use noise-canceling headphones. Block out crying babies, engine noise, and chatty passengers with good noise-canceling headphones. Number 14. Pack snacks. Airport food is expensive. Bring protein bars, nuts, or dried fruit to stay energized. Number 15. Ask for upgrades nicely. If your flight isn't full, politely asking at check-in or the gate could land you a free upgrade to a better seat. Have a nice trip.